What's up? It's Susie from Hey Grill Hey, and today I am teaching you my default vegetable side dish. Anytime we're having people over, anytime I'm grilling a quick dinner and I need some veggies, but I don't want to come up with anything difficult or interesting and I don't want to go to the store for extra stuff, these grilled vegetables are absolutely the ticket. It's a simple marinade, whatever veggies you like, and a few minutes on the grill. You pretty much cannot screw it up, so let's do it. Step one, we gotta make our marinade. So this is a homemade balsamic marinade. However, I love a substitution. So if you don't have all of the ingredients on hand or you don't wanna make it from scratch, you can use a store-bought balsamic marinade with a little additional Parmesan cheese and you'll be fine. But we're doing it from scratch because I usually have the ingredients. So olive oil, balsamic vinegar, some fresh minced garlic, Italian seasoning, some grated Parmesan cheese, some salt, and some pepper. That's it. Just give that a mix directly in your bag and then add in your vegetables. Now you can really use any vegetables here. My default base is bell peppers, red onions, and then whatever else I have in the fridge. So today I've got some broccoli, some cauliflower, some zucchini, some squash, mushrooms work great in here, asparagus, green beans. You really can have your pick of whatever you've got left over in the fridge, because with the acidity in the marinade and the char from the grill, it will make any vegetable taste delicious. Add them all to the bag, zip it closed, and then give it a toss to coat. Now, if you are a pre-planner, good for you, I'm so jealous. You could let these sit in your refrigerator for 30 to 45 minutes and kind of marinate and have the veggies really take in a little bit more of that flavor. But if in fact you are like me and sometimes you're throwing things together at the very last second, you can just give these a toss and go directly on your grill. Now, if you do give yourself time and let these marinate, that extra 30 to 45 minutes, it doesn't seem like a lot, but the vegetables will actually take in quite a bit of the flavor from the marinade itself, especially because there's vinegar in there and the acidity will help make those veggies really pop and incredibly delicious. But again, if you just have to rub and send it, it's totally fine. My veggies are ready to go on a grill now. I almost will not grill vegetables anymore without a grill basket, especially if I've got smaller pieces of things like the broccoli and the cauliflower in here and the onions. I hate losing stuff through the grates. So we'll go directly into the grill basket. We'll toss them every few minutes. We're right over the direct heat here, so they're gonna cook pretty quickly. And my overall grill temperature is probably about 400 to 450 degrees. So we'll keep an eye on these, but usually my veggies take anywhere between 8 and 12 minutes if I'm tossing every once in a while. I want them to have a nice charred flavor, but I don't want to overcook them and make them mushy. We're going for tender crisp here. Look at these beautiful roasted vegetables. The color is so vibrant. The smells are off the charts. Just a couple of super simple steps, very easy ingredients, and you have a platter of beautifully roasty, grilled vegetables that are perfectly seasoned, tender, crisp, lightly smoky, gorgeous char from the grill, and honestly perfect with any of your main dishes. These are gonna be a staple for you, I hope, just like they are for me. If you give them a try and love them, please head to the website and leave a review. It helps so much. Snap a photo, tag me on Instagram so I can see and celebrate your journey to becoming a backyard barbecue hero. See you next time.